figured out this winning formula.
What is it? Tell me.
So say if I put 100K each day into whatever stock, and I'm not greedy, I just make $100 or two, and I'm done for the day. Can I do that every day?
Well, it's difficult. I've done day trade, $1,000 a day. It is really tough because, like this past year, when the market kept going down,
Right.
you're not going to make money. You're only going to make money when there's a bull market. There are several years that I really make money. One is 1997, where there's a huge bull market, and then in 2000, where there is the tech stock boom, and then also 2007, really make money then. And also, I think in 2019, when you are in a bull market, you can make money. I make 100,000 a day.
Jesus.
Yeah, during those boom years.
Wow.
It is easy. But if in a bear market like this past year, when the market keeps falling down, even the big stocks fell by 70%.
Right.
I think the best thing to do is keep out of it. Try not to get into it because you're going to lose your shirt. So remember, do day trade only when there is a bull market, when everybody is talking about the stock, when the Hang Seng is surging toward the 30,000 points,
Right.
the 20,000, 20,000 level, that's too tough.
Right. Okay.